John Paul! There's no car left under here. Man, I could put my hand in there. Hi guys, welcome back to the Autosportivo channel. This is episode 1 of our restoration series. So today I've got my full team in with me. I've got Tony.
Hi.
And I've got John Paul in today as well. Yep. Now, I gave John Paul a budget to find us a project car for 2022. He's brought it in today and we're about to see what he's got us.
You're gonna love it.
I'm
gonna love it. I hope so.
Well, we'll see. Bring it in.
That worries me when he says we're going to love it.
I can't believe I trusted him with my money. What's this?
This is your car. This is your project.
Where's the paint?
It's there. Just in places. What do you think?
Well, at least it's not a Fiat Coupe, I guess. Do you know what worries me?
Nothing wrong. Punto GT 1.4, GT3, one owner, 88,000 on the clock.
You know what the problem is with these, are they?
Rust.
What's it like underneath, John Paul?
The owner did say that it needed a little bit of welding on the seals.
A little bit.
A little bit. That's
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
A little bit. But everything works.
Are you trying to convince yourself or us?
Where's the light?
Didn't come on, so we need to order one.
What's this?
It's just been rubbed down, it just needs a respray. But it reflected that in the price. But you haven't seen the best bit.
Alright. Surprise me.
Well, you see it, isn't it?
I knew you needed to find it. Oh, okay. There we go.
Original.
Do you know what? That is all there, isn't it?
It's all there.
Everything's there. These are red. That's never on them. That bottle's clean.
It
So,
doesn't.
a little bit of faith there.
That's promising. But I still want to know what it's like underneath. Do you know what? Do you know what I do like about it? It's all original in here. And you've even got the original head unit.
Everything works. I mean, which is a rare thing. Open that sunroof.
Bloody hell. And it's not even rotten. They normally rot all the way in there. And it works.
And it works.
That's not bad.
The clock works at the top there, which normally goes.
Yeah, okay.
Everything.
Alright, I'm quite happy with the inside so far. Yeah. And GT3, it's got the seats I like with GT written on it.
Another reason why I went for a GT3, just because I prefer the interior.
Yeah, so do I. Okay, it's not too bad so far, I like it. And what have we got in here? Oh wow. Is that all the service history?
All
of
the
car?
service history. Logbook shows you one owner.
Previous registered keepers? None. That's not bad. I like that. And oh, look at this. All the keys
All
as
the
well.
keys and the red key, all important.
They're the alarm bits as well.
Yep.
You don't get that on the GT. So it's all there. It's all complete. All right. Okay. So shall we get it on the ramp?
Let's go.
Let's get it on the ramp then.
Right, come on, let's have a little look.
What the hell is this?
Oh, that is bad, isn't it?
Bad.
John Paul! There's no car left under here. What's this?
We're not talking about a little bit of welding on the seals. There's nothing there.
Mate, did you check under here before you brought the car?
Well, I put my hand in underneath.
I know I said project, but this is... Where are we gonna... Oh my god, it's like biscuits. Do you like biscuits with your tea? Look, what's that? I can see daylight. Mate.
Well,
Anything's fixable.
Man, I could put my hand in there.
And you said you looked underneath it. Didn't you see that?
It was
What's the matter
dark.
with you? I could see it from it. Oh. JP.
Well,
Well.
I don't know what to say.
I know I said project, but so far we've got paint, seals, floor pans.
Well, you did say you wanted a project. You didn't tell me how far of a project you wanted.
There's some metal there.
Well, I didn't fall through it when I got in it. So that's a bonus.
Oh, I'm not poking no more. It's making my blood boil. Well, do you know what? It's not leaking oil. And for a Fiat, that's a plus, isn't it? It's going to need bushes, lower arms. Look, there's nothing there. Lower arms.
That's got good tyres though.
Yeah, it has, isn't it?
No, it's,
Is it seized?
no, all spins.
Do you know what? We'll replace it all. Let's do it all. Let's get the car stripped, gut it out, we'll weld it all. If we could find floor pans and seals. But all this, we'll just rebuild it, rip it all off, powder cut everything, new lower arms. Yeah, it's going to be a project and a half, this thing, but I think it deserves it for the originality of the car. Do you know these tanks are known for rotting away as well?
Yep.
But this one is really good.
So there is a plus. This is one thing that's not rusty.
Yeah, at least we'll get away with not having to change that.
I have got something else to show you as well.
Oh God, what?
The car did come with a few parts.
Did it?
So let me come and show you.
All right.
So, okay, I may have lied to you a little bit. I did know that the floor has been totally rotten,
Yeah,
and the car did come with new floor pans,
yeah.
new seals,
Mm.
we've got suspension, we've got lights, I've got belts, and we've got new brake lines.
Oh wow.
And comes with a very special bit that I think will set the GT off, which is an R-bar spoiler.
My favourite. And this
So
will come
which-
with the car?
It's all come with the car,
In my budget?
in the budget.
Alright, okay. Okay, somehow now I'm a bit more happier. Oh. Do you know what? I need to strip this car now.
Okay, let's get it down, let's get it done.
Alright, cool. We've got to get seats all out. Carpet's got to come out.
Yep.
Before the carpet comes out, you get that middle centre dash out.
Yep.
Get that out. Side skirts we've got to pull off. And I want the doors unhinged as well.
Okay.
Just makes it all easier out of the way for the welding. Ready?
Yep, let's crack on. So just removing the centre console at the moment so we can get this carpet out, because we need to see how extensive the rust is. Obviously we've already seen that it's gone all the way through. We just need to see how far through into the car it has gone. And obviously when we are welding, there's a lot of welding to be done, and we don't really want to be setting fire to this carpet. Number one, we don't want to burn the car down. And number two, you're not going to find another carpet. And number two and number three, I don't want my P45.
I'm just removing a piece of interior trim. The easiest stuff. I'll leave the hard stuff to JP.
I'm undoing it first, because this middle bit comes off first, if I remember correctly. It's been a few years, boy.
Do you need to pull this off?
You need to, yeah. Put it like you're putting your toddler.
There you go.
So issue is, which is quite common that I found on a few GTs, is removing the footrest. Where you have your wet feet in and out of the car, will rust these screws, and we have one that has totally rusted, so just having some fun trying to remove that without breaking the footrest. Well, I can see the floor, as in the garage floor. So if you come in here, you can see this is just the back part of it, how bad it really is. So I think them floor pans are going to come into good use. So yeah, that's all going to be cut away. Next is to raise the sound deadening here, so we can
I've got an idea for that.
have a look and see how bad the rust is underneath the front. So we can see just how bad now the front of the car is. So again, you can see that there's just nothing left of the inner seal or the outer seal. So it's going to be a bit of a task there, but we can now have a real good see.
Nothing some polyfiller can fix, eh?
Yeah. You'll need a lot of it. I don't know if that's in the budget.
So I'm just getting the boot carpet out. I'll get the back seats out, and I want to take the rear door cards out as well. So I know when it was on the ramp, I checked actually the rear arches and they were okay, but I just want to get it all out. I want nothing to catch on fire when we weld it. How original is that as well? And it all works. I tested it out earlier. The original CD changer Phillips with the original head unit. That's what I love about the car. It's all original, unmolested, not touched, hasn't gone through any boy racer hands. I think that's why I really want to do this car, because it deserves it. And then who knows, I might sell it or I'll keep it in my collection. JP, let me be honest, I think I've changed my mind and you've done a good job on buying this car purely for the originality. That's what I love about it. So yeah, I'm not totally angry with you now.
Thanks, boss. Means a lot. Do I get a pay rise?
Yep. It's always one, isn't it? Always one screw. What was it?
Bit of plastic. It's obviously been glued before. But it's off in one piece. It doesn't take long to gut a car, does it?
Alright, so we have finished gutting it completely out. Didn't take us that long. These cars are pretty easy to do. Good old 90s. The next time you see this car, it will have new seals, floor pans, and then it will be ready for going off to the body shop for paint. How did you find that?
Not too bad. Obviously a lot more rust than what we anticipated. Found an extra little bit that we've now got to sort out, which is on the wheel arch on the driver's side, on the back, and it's only a small hole, so it shouldn't be too bad to fix. But other than that, she came apart quite easy. Next time you guys see it, it'll be a totally different car, and then ready for the body shop, as I've said.
Guys, don't forget to click subscribe and like. Any comments, leave them down below, and we'll see you soon. Hell. Well, there you go. Who's seen a Punto GT with a working alarm?
Factory immobilised.
This is the first one in my lifetime.
Yeah.
Alright, you did do well with this.
That's it, it's sold. The alarm system works, that's it, it's sold. Did you? I felt when I was walking down, I felt the button was stiff, but I didn't realise it.
I didn't even think to try. I thought, forget that won't even work.
Thing is, I don't know if I've locked it or.
You'll soon find out.
I think it's locked, yeah, because the alarms.
Unbelievable.
Wow. It might work, this might not work. Yeah, not as safe as the seats.